Again, this question is a circle theorems question. We're first told, well, let's just go straight to part A. We'll see if we need to go back and read any more of this. Find the angle OAB. So OAB would be this angle here. So we're trying to find this angle here. I can see that it forms part of this triangle. Okay, what do I know about this triangle? Well, I know that OB and the OA are both radii. They're both radius of the circle, which means they're the same length, which means that the angle OAB and the angle OBA are going to be the same size because they're base angles of an isosceles triangle. So if this is 42, could we find this angle here? Well, we're told that QBP, this line along the top is a tangent. Now what do we know about where a tangent meets a radius? From your circle theorems, you should know that that's 90 degrees. So we can say that QBO is a right angle. Therefore, this angle in here is going to be 90 minus 42. So this angle is 48. And if this angle is 48, we said that this angle here is going to be the same because they're base angles of an isosceles triangle due to OA and OB both being radius of the circle. So OAB is 48 degrees. Okay, the next one says find AOB, which is this angle in here. Okay, well, let's just check. We've got a triangle. Okay, we know triangles add up to 180. And we know so far that we've got two lots of 48. So our angles currently take up 96. So the leftover angle in the middle must be 180 to take away 96, which is 84 degrees. In part C, we're asked to find angle BCA, which is this angle at the top here. Okay, now this angle, some people call it the arrowhead theorem or the bow, or not the bow tie, it's a different one. The arrowhead, well, it's proper if you were to say why. It's the angle at the centre is twice as big as the angle at the circumference. So in our example, the angle at the centre is 84. So the angle at the circumference is going to be half of 84. So BCA is going to be 42. So this angle here is 42 degrees. Part D says find angle CBP. Well, CBP is going to be this angle here. Okay. I don't know anything else about the triangle BCP at the moment, so if we come back into this triangle here, if I could find, well, I know this is a radius, and I know this is a tangent, so I know that they're going to meet at 90 degrees. So if I could find this angle here, then I could subtract it from 90 to find the angle that we're looking for. So the question is, can I find this angle here? Well, this angle here is part of a bigger triangle ABC, and we draw it out separately so you can see. This is A, this is B, this is C. And we know the angle here at C is 42. We know a bit of B is 48, but we don't know the whole thing. And we know a bit of A is 48, but we don't know the whole thing either. What we do know about this triangle is it's isosceles because we're told that BC is equal to AC. So that means if this top angle here is 42, then these two angles are going to be 180 minus 42 divided by 2. Okay, so that means that ABC must be 69. So the whole of that angle there is 69. So the whole of this angle inside the triangle is 69. And if we know that part of it is 48, then this part of it must be 69 minus 48, which would leave me with 21. So this angle in here would be 21 degrees. Okay, and if we come back to what we said earlier, which was that this is a radius and this is a tangent, and therefore they meet at 90. So if we've got two things that meet at 90, and one of them we've already accounted for as 21, then this other angle must be 90 minus 21, which is 69 degrees. So the answer you're looking for, CBP, is 69. Okay, then CPB, it's a bit of a mouthful, CPB, so this angle here, belongs to the triangle CBP. So if I draw that out separately so we can see it in a bit more detail, angle at C we don't know, angle at P, that's what we're trying to find, and angle at B we now know is 69. Okay, what else do we know about this triangle? Well, again, it's isosceles because both these sides are the same length. So if I've got an isosceles triangle, then the base angles are going to be the same. So to find CPB, I need to do 180, take away 69, and then divide it by 2, which means that this angle is going to be 55.5, and this angle is going to be 55.5 as well.